Standard 9, Subject Maths 2, Chapter number 3, Triangle. In this video, we are going to learn Chapter 3, Triangle. What is triangle? So students, any closed geometrical figure having three sides is called as a triangle. In the previous class, you had learned about elements of the triangle, that is, sides and angles. And you also know that types of triangle. As we know, there are 6 types of triangle, in which 3 are based on sides and another 3 are based on angles. Name of the triangles that are based on sides are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. And the name of the triangle that are based on angles are acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. This we already know. Let's see some properties of triangle. Now the first property is angle sum property of a triangle. Now given triangle ABC is any triangle as you see in the diagram. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now let us draw a construction. Draw a line PQ through the point A such that line PQ is parallel to side BC, as you can see in the diagram. Now let's see the proof. Line PQ parallel to side BC and AB is the transversal. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle PAB. By alternate angles, let us take this as equation 1. Now again, let's take line PQ parallel to side BC and this time AC is the transversal. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to angle QAC by alternate angles. Now take this as equation 2. Now after that, add equation 1 and 2. Then we get angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to angle PAB plus angle QAC. Now after that, by adding angle BAC to both the sides, we get angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to angle PAB plus angle QAC plus angle BAC. Now as you see in the diagram, angle PAB plus angle BAC is equal to angle PAC. Now substitute this value in equation 3, then we get angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to angle PAC plus angle QAC. Now which is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Therefore, we can say that angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. So dear students, this is the proof of sum of all the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, we call them as a angle sum property of a triangle. Now another property is remote interior angle theorem. Now this theorem states that measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of its remote interior angle. Now the given is triangle PQR. Here S is the point on the ray QR such that R lie in between Q and S. Here angle PRS is an exterior angle of the triangle PQR. Here we have to prove that angle PRS, that is the exterior angle, is equal to sum of angle PQR and angle QPR. Now let's see the proof of this theorem. Now in triangle PQR, we know that sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree, that is angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. And angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to, as you can see in the diagram, this form linear pair. Now take this as equation number 2. Now from first and second, angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ. Now after subtracting angle PRQ from both the sides, we get angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. This is the required proof of the theorem. Now let us see some example based on this property. The first example is the measure of angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. Find the measure of each angle. Now here's the solution. The ratio of the measure of the angle is 5:6:7. Let the measure of the angles of the triangle be 5x, 6x and 7x. Now we know that sum of all the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore 5x plus 6x plus 7x is equal to 180 degree, which is equal to 18x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 10. Now after substituting the value of x in 5x, we get 50, and in 6x we get 60, and in 7x we get 70. Therefore we can say that the measure of the angles of the triangle are 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree. Now see the second question. In the figure, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. If angle B is equal to 40 degree and angle A is equal to 70 degree, find measure of angle ACD. Now here the solution. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 40 degree and angle A is equal to 70 degree. Now by remote interior angle theorem, measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle B plus measure of angle A. Now after substituting the value, we get measure of angle ACD is equal to 40 degree plus 70 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. Therefore the answer is measure of angle ACD is 110 degree. So here students, we had done two problems based on the two properties of a triangle. Thank you.